Hello everyone, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe and like and share this video if you like it. So today for this beautiful hop, I'm going to make this ice cream cones. So there is one lick lolly as well. So these are the MDF bases, and now I'm going to apply my gesso on the surface. See, just like that, I'm randomly applying it. You don't have to cover whole thing. I'm just applying as a primer first, and I'm using white gesso. So just applying with my brush. You can apply as you like. So after applying gesso, I'm going to use my sponge and I'm going to dab gesso, white gesso again, and I'm going to cover the surface one more time. Because when you apply with the sponge, it gives it gives full coverage to your base. So now I'm going to apply orange color on my lick lollies. So just like that, I'm going to dab again with my sponge. It gives nice texture to it, and it's going to create a lovely effect as well. Now I'm going to work simultaneously with my cone. I'm applying this texture paste to make the cone, just like that. And if it's not available with you, you can directly use your colors or acrylic colors, whatever you have. So I'm just applying it and let it dry now for the time being. So now let's use the colors again. I'm using another pink color, and I'm going to use the purple as well for blackcurrant, and pink is for strawberry flavor. So it's going to look amazing. And after that, I'm going to color the cone. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please do check out others videos as well, and do not forget to subscribe us.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer.
Now it's time to sprinkle some beautiful candies over it, and I'm going to do it with my B6000 glue. So I'm going to use some shakers here, which looks like a candy thing, and I'm going to paste it over it. I hope guys you're enjoying this tutorial. Please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and also do check out each and every artist creations. And this is done now. You just need to add the magnet behind these pieces. Thanks for watching guys.